How to buy vertical AI token. So this token came under the symbol of VERTAI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any product that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description box. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the benefits or with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on the screener here, as you can see here, guys. And as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's good. That's my investment in safe place. The market cap of that token is $87.1 million and the volume is $1.9 million. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and as you can see, this token is under the Ethereum wallet. You're gonna open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Go to your wallet, select the Ethereum as a network from here. After that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here, as you can see, to add it to your wallet. Now, make sure to read that warning, and if you are to go, click on confirm. After that, click on plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added right now. It's called VERTAI. As you can see, this is now click on it. After that, click on swap switch from here and select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. But make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy with, a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. So this is how much you receive with that token. After that, click on buy and you will buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy VERTAI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.